Hi, I'm Stu from the Durable Customer Success team. Today I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to use our Google Reviews agent. There are two requirements for this before getting started, so I'll quickly go through those now. One is we require you to have a Google business profile connected to Durable. The easiest way to identify this is to head to the SEO and GEO section of Durable. From within here, you'll see the Google Business Profile section. If this is connected, you're ready to go. If you don't currently have one connected to Durable, recommend getting one set up or connecting your existing Google Business Profile within here, where it would give you the option to either set up or connect. The second check you'll want to do is by heading over to our Google Reviews agent, which can be found on the left-hand side. When within here, we want to make sure the agent is enabled. This can be done by clicking the Google Reviews option at the top and ensuring it's enabled on the right hand side. From within here, there's a few pieces of information available to us, like the number of reviews, the average rating, and whether you have any pending replies. You'll see here, I have one that requires my attention. You can also head over to the review section in the top left to see all the reviews that have been left, whether any need a reply, and also the ones that have been replied. This is filtered by oldest to newest by default. So to get a response out, it's very simple. We can simply click review reply on the latest review that's been left for us. This then opens up a window which allows you to either edit in chat, or if you're happy with the suggested reply, you can simply hit approve and post. This will automatically respond on Google's business profile to the review that was left for you. Once you click that option, the response will be left back to Google. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any concerns or issues, do not hesitate to reach out. And do remember, always respond to your Google reviews.